Hey guys, I'm Sonika. In today's video, I'm going to review another product by Nikon, the Nikon ML-L3 IR wireless camera remote that can be used with most Nikon DSLRs. So let's get started.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Welcome to my channel, which is all about photography, travel, vlogging, cameras, and I put out new photography tutorials every Wednesday for you guys. So if you want new photography tips from me every Wednesday, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon. And today I'm going to review the Nikon ML-L3 IR wireless camera remote for you guys. It is very useful if you want to click pictures without physically pressing the shutter release button. You cannot use it for videos, I wish we could, but it's very useful for long exposure images, self-portraits, or for anything that matter if you have shaky hands like me. I'm going to show you it's working with my Nikon D5300. So if you have a different camera, the interface is going to be different, but the rules are going to be the same. So I bought this 2 years back from Amazon for 350 rupees, but I checked the price today. It was priced at around 1200 rupees on Amazon. It will still be cheaper than a wired remote. A wired remote may cost you around 10,000 rupees. I'll leave the link to the remote down below, guys, so that you can go check it out. The product comes in this small box. We have the product in this pouch. The battery is stored here, and here is the battery holder. A fresh product will have a small plastic separator at the battery holder. Make sure you remove it like I have. The product runs on a CR20253V battery. It will last you for years, and these batteries are readily available in any electronics shop. I open the battery holder like so and slide the battery inside and close it. How to use it? Make sure you have a battery in the remote, then go to your camera, hit menu, come to the shooting menu, release mode, and select quick response remote for clicking the image as soon as the remote is pressed, or a delayed time of 2 seconds if you want the camera to click 2 seconds after the remote is pressed. My camera also has a button down here that displays the release mode for me, and I can select the remote option here. Normally the camera will come out of the remote mode if it doesn't receive a signal from the remote for about 1 minute. You can adjust this timing by going to the custom setting menu, remote on duration, and selecting the time you want. The maximum delay time is 15 minutes. Bear in mind that the shorter delay time will save your battery life, and after the delay time expires, the camera will set itself to the mode last use, that is single frame, continuous high, continuous low, quiet shutter, whatever was used last. The release mode will also be reset if you turn off the camera, so I'll keep it to 1 minute only. Now I've kept a product here that I want to click. Here is my camera on a tripod. From a distance of about 5 meters, that is 16 feet or less, aim the transmitter on the remote at the infrared receiver of the camera. There is one infrared receiver here in my camera, Nikon D5300, and this is the second one at the back. Usually cameras come with such 2 infrared receivers. Press the remote shutter release button while keeping the remote in the range of any infrared receiver, and that's it. My image is automatically clicked. During remote shooting, it's a good idea to cover the viewfinder with the eyepiece cap or any cloth to prevent exposure problems that can be caused by light entering the camera through the viewfinder. You can use this remote to focus too. Here I have an autofocus scene, and as soon as I hit the remote shutter release button, the camera will focus on the scene automatically as per the focus point set by you, and then the shot will be clicked. The remote does not offer me the facility to halfway press it and autofocus like we do with our camera shutter release button. So I don't rely on it much because it automatically autofocuses before firing the shot. So I lock the focus in the camera before I turn to my remote for firing the shot. The remote can also be used for bulk photography, meaning to keep my shutter open for more than 30 seconds. For that, I go to the manual mode, keep increasing my shutter speed till I reach bulk, focus and press the remote once, and when I press the remote for the second time, the camera will stop the exposure. It is recommended to use a fully charged camera and remote battery when using long exposures. So guys, this was an honest review of the Nikon ML-L3 IR wireless camera remote, and it's a very simple to use and effective remote. So if you're looking for a remote that is reasonably priced, this is definitely for you. And in case you like my video, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about which Nikon products you want me to cover next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous product review. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.